How to transfer Minecraft world to another phone. Now in this video I'll show you how you can transfer your save files, especially your Minecraft world, from this phone to another phone. So I'm going to be showing you on what you will be doing on the main phone first. Now on the first phone, all you have to do is to open up your file manager, and then from the file manager head straight into internal storage, and then from here scroll down a bit and choose on the Minecraft folder. Now this is where you can see the Minecraft world folder. Inside that are your save files. So all you have to do first from your first phone is just to copy this file, and then you can go ahead and try to use um, any transfer applications out there, maybe share it or Bluetooth that you can use to transfer it over into your second phone. And once you've successfully transferred it, before you launch the game, you have to go into the file manager from the second phone. Go in the same thing, internal storage, and then choose on the Minecraft folder. And then from the second phone, you just have to delete the Minecraft world folder and replace it from the first phone. Launch the game, and you're done. And that is how you transfer Minecraft world to another phone.